Shout out to Big Chops, the real Ugg Gamer, for being one of the first persons to comment in one of my recent videos. Hi guys, the reason I am making this video is because I lost a bet, and the payment for losing that bet is that I have to make a video about my most embarrassing encounter with a drone. Nobody ever wants to make such a video. I don't want to, but I have to because I lost that bet. So my most embarrassing encounter was with a Dji Spark. Yes, Dji Spark. It took me more than a day to figure out how to turn this drone off, guys. Somehow I missed the instructions in the manual on how to turn it off, and I was searching everywhere I could, and I couldn't figure it out for more than a day. It's very simple. Push the button, push it thereafter, and hold. It turns on just like this. Yes, it turns on. And then to turn it off, do the same thing. It took me more than a day. It took me more than a day, guys. Push thereafter, hold, and it turns off. That simple process took me more than a day, and that is or was my most embarrassing encounter with a drone. So guys, you guys know, let's see if we do it again. Push immediately and hold. It turns on. Oh dear. And then push quickly, push and hold. You see, I'm still messing up. Push and hold, and then it turns off. So there it goes. It took me more than a day to figure out that simple step. And so guys, let's see who is courageous enough. Guys, comment below. Tell us about your most embarrassing encounter with a drone, and let us all laugh about it. Please subscribe, leave a comment below. See you on my next video. Thank you.